The scenes of devastation left by the fires look like they could have been caused by massive bombing. This family returned to the remains of their home south of Los Angeles Tuesday, lucky to be alive.
You know, here we are, and how fortunate we are. I don't see devastation, I see opportunity. You know, that's, at the end of the day, that's really all that matters. We're all safe. This can all be rebuilt.
Some of the 14 fires that started late Sunday in Northern California were still raging 2 days later. Napa, Sonoma, Lake, and Mendocino counties have been among the most affected. Residents from these areas were evacuated into various shelters, like this one in San Rafael, north of San Francisco. A local public health officer told VOA the outpouring of donations has exceeded the needs of the shelter.
We want to now help people find their way home. So we have a team of social workers that has arrived, and they'll be circulating through the shelter to meet families individually to determine what their needs are, what their plans are, and is there anything we can do to help them find a safe and secure space.
Bob Kochenauer and his wife spent the night here and are now waiting to hear when they can return home to Kenwood in Sonoma County.
The fires are still not under control. They're all around where we live, so they're not letting people back into our neighborhood, and it's not good.
The Santa Rosa Hospital decided to evacuate its patients when a wall of fire came too close on Monday night.
We had roughly 30 in the emergency department and roughly 100 patients in the emergency department, in the hospital. Including critical care patients, laboring mothers, postpartum mothers and babies, and typical med-surgical patients. We mobilized all the staff in the hospital. It was really an incredible effort. Nurses, environmental services workers, unit assistants, of course, doctors, everybody pulling together to get patients ready for evacuation.
State officials say the wildfires are the deadliest in California's history and that the number of casualties is expected to rise. Zlatica, Hoke, VOA News, Washington.